Welcome to Boli.ae, where selling property is faster, smarter, and fully transparent. Start by logging into your seller account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, click on the dashboard. This is where you can manage your properties, track activity, and monitor bids. To begin listing, click on Add Property. You'll now see the property submission form. Fill in each section carefully. Start by selecting your property type, such as apartment. Add your project details. Select number of bedrooms. Enter your unit number. Enter your expected price. Specify current occupancy status. Next, select your preferred payment method. Provide ownership details. Next, upload clear images of your property. Upload the floor plan. And then finally, upload the title deed document. Once all details are filled in, review everything carefully. Then click Submit. Once submitted, the Boli team will verify your details and documents to obtain the required permits. Your listing will now be ready to go live and enter the bidding process. With Boli.ae, you're always in control, with full visibility at every step.